Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best sunglass straps is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for anyone who loves their shades, whether you're an avid hiker scaling mountains, a water sports enthusiast braving the waves, or simply enjoying a sunny day out. The fear of losing or damaging your expensive sunglasses is a constant worry, but what if I told you there's a simple, stylish, and incredibly effective solution that keeps your eyewear secure and always within reach, preventing those heart-stopping moments of accidental drops or misplacements, ensuring your vision stays clear and your style stays intact, no matter where your adventures take you. Number 5. Pilotfish No-Tail Adjustable Eyewear Retainer Cable Strap. Tired of your glasses slipping? Our adjustable retainers offer a secure, comfortable fit for any activity. Choose from 2 lengths to ensure they stay put, no matter what you're doing. Whether you're fishing, hiking, or just enjoying the outdoors, these retainers are your perfect companion. Keep your eyewear safe and secure during all your adventures. Don't risk losing or damaging your expensive sunglasses. Think of this as a partnership, ensuring your eyewear stays clean, undamaged, and always with you. Crafted for durability and all-day comfort, you might even forget you're wearing it. Experience long-lasting wear without any discomfort. Featuring our Pro Connect system, it protects your sunglass ends from damage. Available in 14-inch and 16-inch options, they retract for a perfect fit. In a sleek tactical black, this retainer is as stylish as it is functional. It's designed to keep up with your active lifestyle. What we like. This strap offers an adjustable, off-the-neck fit for ultimate security during any activity. Its durable silicone construction ensures comfort all day long. If you're an active individual who needs a reliable way to keep your eyewear in place, this is the one for you. What people say. The strap is adjustable and fits comfortably around the neck. It securely holds sunglasses in place, preventing them from falling off. The material is durable and seems like it will last a long time. Number 4. Eyeglass String Holder Strap. Tired of your glasses slipping or falling? Our unique non-slip clip loop ensures your eyewear stays securely in place, no matter what. Designed for versatility, these straps fit snugly on both wide and narrow eyeglass temples. They are perfect for all types of glasses, from sunglasses to reading glasses. Enjoy a comfortable and secure fit with our adjustable design. The 27-inch length is perfect for all head shapes and neck sizes, making them easy to wear all day. Get a pack of 4 black straps, perfect for any outfit or eyewear. Plus, you'll receive a surprise bonus gift with your purchase. We stand by our product with a lifetime warranty. Buy with confidence, knowing we're here to help if you encounter any issues with your eyeglass holder. What we like. Featuring a unique non-slip clip, this strap guarantees your glasses will not fall, even with wide or narrow temples. Its adjustable length provides a comfortable and versatile fit for all head shapes and neck sizes. If you're looking for a secure and adaptable solution that works with any eyewear, consider this option. What people say. The strap is adjustable and fits snugly around my head, preventing my sunglasses from slipping off during outdoor activities. I appreciate the durable material of the strap, which has held up well to daily wear and tear. It feels secure and reliable. The design is sleek and unobtrusive, allowing me to wear it comfortably for extended periods without any irritation. Number 3. Oakley Sunglass Leash Kit. Never lose your favorite sunglasses again. The Oakley Sunglass Leash Kit keeps them safely attached, no matter where your adventures take you. Whether you're on the trail or out on the water, this leash provides the ultimate security. It's built to withstand your active lifestyle. Attaching and detaching is a breeze. Simply secure it to your eyewear for reliable, hassle-free wear. Crafted with high-quality materials, it ensures long-lasting performance. You can trust it to keep your eyewear in place. It's the essential accessory for any sunglass owner. Keep your shades protected and always within reach. What we like. This leash kit provides a secure attachment for your sunglasses, ensuring they stay with you no matter the adventure. Known for quality and performance, it's a great choice for those who value brand reliability. If you're a fan of the brand and need a dependable leash, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The strap is adjustable and fits comfortably around my neck. It securely holds my sunglasses in place, even during vigorous activities. The material is durable and seems like it will last a long time. Number 2. Buyisgle Eyeglasses Holder Strap, 2 PCS. Are you tired of misplacing your glasses or sunglasses? This innovative strap is designed to keep them securely with you at all times. Never worry about losing them again. Whether you're fishing, hiking, or simply enjoying your day, this strap ensures your eyewear stays safe and accessible. It's the ideal companion for all your outdoor activities and daily routines. Crafted from durable nylon rope and silicone, this strap is incredibly lightweight. You'll barely notice you're wearing it, even for extended periods. With an adjustable design and a maximum length of 25 inches, it fits comfortably around any neck size. It's compatible with most eyewear frames, ensuring a secure hold. We stand by the quality of our product. If you encounter any issues, our lifetime warranty ensures you'll receive excellent customer service. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. Made from a comfortable and durable blend of silicone and nylon rope, this strap is designed to keep your glasses handy and secure. Its lightweight nature means you'll barely notice you're wearing it. If you're prone to misplacing your glasses or want a simple, comfortable solution for everyday wear, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The strap is adjustable and fits comfortably around my neck. It securely holds my sunglasses in place, even during vigorous activities. The material is durable and seems like it will last a long time. Number 1. Costa Del Mar Bowline Silicone Retainer. Keep your favorite eyewear safe and sound. This retainer ensures your glasses stay put, no matter the adventure. Crafted from soft yet resilient silicone, it provides a comfortable fit all day long. It's built to last through all your activities. Designed to fit most eyewear frames, it offers a versatile solution for everyone. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your glasses are secure. Whether you're fishing, hiking, or just enjoying the sun, this accessory is essential. Never worry about losing your sunglasses again. Its straightforward design makes it incredibly easy to use. Just attach it and go, with confidence that your eyewear is protected. What we like. This silicone retainer offers a secure hold for your eyewear, designed for comfort during extended wear. It's ideal for those who need a reliable strap that feels almost unnoticeable. If you prioritize a comfortable and secure fit for your sunglasses, especially during water activities or daily use, this is a great option. What people say. The strap is adjustable and fits comfortably around my neck, even when wearing a hat. It keeps my sunglasses securely in place, preventing them from falling off during outdoor activities. The material is durable and seems like it will last a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.